Good evening and welcome, ladies and gentlemen. In October, Parambir Singh and his henchman Sachin Waze, or should I put it the other way around, Sachin Waze and his henchman Parambir Singh got together and they got into a partnership with some losers in the Lutyens media to fix Republic. It's very interesting today, viewers. Those same losers in the Lutyens media are trying to find a reason every day to stop reporting about Sachin Waze and Parambir Singh. Every day. You can switch to those channels for a few seconds today, which I know you don't, but you can try and check out whether they are reporting about Parambir Singh today. They won't. They're embarrassed. He was their partner in crime. Every day there is a new revelation, a new charge about the dark deeds of this tainted police officer called Parambir Singh. And today, I don't know if you heard it, viewers, he's been booked some time back along with gangster Ravi Pujari. The specific charge against Parambir in this case says he was trying to extort crores of rupees from a businessman with the help of this gangster Ravi Pujari in exchange for dropping fake cases against him. And this is the man. This is the man the losers in the Lutyens media did a joint venture with. Metaphorically, of course. Dear viewers, Parambir Singh and Sachin Waze, if you study their pattern, appear to have specialized allegedly in framing cases, fabricating evidence, and then extracting some kind of price to drop them. When I was arrested by this same combination of Parambir and Waze, these losers in the media celebrated this Parambir-Waze combination. They truly felt that Parambir and Waze were their chosen henchmen to fix Republic. I think, viewers, I would request you to ask those losers today why they are not reporting about them. And that is why this same media is not reporting all the serious charges against Parambir today. Because they have realized, somewhere they have realized, that the people of the country have understood the truth. They want to make you forget their collaboration with Parambir and Waze. Viewers, I'm telling you, don't forget and don't forgive. All these people, they must remember the words of Justice Chandrachud of the Supreme Court when he warned against the quote-unquote weaponization of the criminal justice system in the country. Viewers, when the media and police, when rogue elements in the media and police come together, when they go rogue and when they blatantly misuse the uniform, then the very edifice of public trust is destroyed forever. I know that the truth of what Parambir and Waze have done is so dirty, so mucky, that it probably makes the Lutyens media, who glorified these two individuals, very uncomfortable. Viewers, we must make the same Lutyens media, these same losers, even more uncomfortable today. Ask them, confront them. Why don't you report about Parambir today? Because the people of the country will counter and ask you that did you use Parambir or did Parambir use you versus Republic? But because the truth is so mucky, for that very reason, it becomes our bounden responsibility, ladies and gentlemen, to ask ourselves, why did the media glorify these people? Were they so nervous about Republic? Were they so insecure about Republic? It is impossible, I say today. It is impossible, ladies and gentlemen. It is impossible that these losers in the media, who do not have the courage to face me one-on-one, it is impossible that they did not know what Parambir and Waze were up to. They knew, but they used them. And today I hold that media as responsible and as accountable. Because justice will prevail. Waze knows it, Parambir knows it, and every citizen of India knows it. As Parambir faces justice, Waze faced justice, this media, which collaborated with them, which used Parambir and Waze as a weapon against Republic, owe an unqualified and unconditional apology, not just to Republic, but to the people of this country.